Good morning, everyone. And by looking at me, you know that today is Shadow Suns Look Day. So that is what I'm going to do. I already finished one eye, so I'm going to do this along with you. And before we start, the two things I wanted to talk about is the Mother's Day sale for the Golden Spa package is still running. So you still have time to grab it, and it will get delivered before Mother's Day. So I have few of my customers orders, so that is going to reach them directly. So that's one thing. Second thing is for the hair serum and the thickening spray. Today is the last day for the sale, so if you are thinking to start your hair care, if you are for that, then obviously this will be a perfect time, because usually the serum itself is $60, and I think on sale it's going to be 51, so which is like a nice deal. As I said, 15% is the maximum we are allowed to anytime, so that's the maximum advantage you are going to get. And I think you might have always also seen the new shampoo released, that is the hair plenish. So I am still yet to order that, but I am so excited. So now we have two types. So if you have a problem where you have thinning and hair loss and also, obviously you will be going with the old hair recovery, that is going to help rising the volume. Whereas if you think you don't have the problem of thinning hair, instead if it is very dry and frizzy, obviously you will go with the new hair plenish, which will help for nourishing and making it look even shinier. So I will be ordering those today. So I have already collected the pre-orders, so whoever I have ordered during the sale time, I'm going to place one big order, that way I can send it to all at once. So if you are looking to grab those, let me know so that I can order along with mine today. And for today's eye look, I have used the colors from the Posh Pastels collection. Last week we did the smoky neutrals, which was I think the gray bag and other things. So this one is the cute lilac bag. So this came with 4 colors, and it is buttercup, lilac, peaches, and mauve shimmer. I have used mauve shimmer. Here also you have two of the matte shades and two of the shimmery shades, similar to the smoky neutrals. The smoky neutrals has like the same way, like two slate and one more matte colors, and pewter shimmer, and other one I forgot the name. So those two are shimmers. So the same way you have both color combinations. That way you can make a complete eye look. For today's look, I have used mauve shimmer, because mauve shimmer was one of my what is it, like most asked shimmer color. Obviously a pink one. So that is the one I have used in my inner corner. So let's go ahead and start, and parallelly we'll talk. This eye look was inspired by Ashley. She's my upline. She's an amazing person, and she's an aesthetician for more than 10 years. So she has amazing skills, whether it comes to skincare, in educating us, or even in the makeup. So this one is inspired by her. This look, she has used pink posy, which I don't have, so I have slightly modified this one a little bit based on the colors I have. So I am using a natural tan, which is a color I have used to color correct my base. If you have seen my video on the uses of Shadow Suns, you will see I have used it as a color corrector or even a concealer and all. So if you want, I can ping that post. When you with Shadow Suns, you don't need a eyelid primer. All of our Shadow Suns colors are, basically Shadow Suns is crease proof and smudge proof, like our lip suns. So once it is done, it's not going to go anywhere, and it's not going to smudge, including our mascara or anything. It won't shed, or even the shimmers won't have glitters won't have that much fallout. So it's all day wear, and it's going to stay put all day. At the same time, it comes with Thenaplex complex, so it is going to be anti-aging for your eyes, because eyelids will be another place where your aging signs shows up. As I said, she used pink posy. I didn't have pink posy, so the closest color next to it in the color wheel was garnet. So I have used garnet as my transition. If you see, the transition color is the one you set on the crease. Mine is a semi hooded eye, so I'm going to take with crease brush, and I'm going to place the color a little. If you see, this is my natural crease, so if I set it a little up, that way when I open you can still see the color. So that's the idea behind it. So you are creating like a false illusion, and you are making a crease. That way when you even open the lid, you can still see the color. If you use pink posy, it will be of even more, because that is like a matte mauve shade. I didn't have, and also sometimes if it is too light, it will not show on my skin tone, because obviously mine is like a medium to dark. So I chose this color instead, so that this transition shade will show a bit. So next I am going with a mauve shimmer, and I am going to apply this color all over my lid using another crease brush. And so this is a very simple look with 2 or 3 colors. You don't need a lot. I usually play around like that because I want my people to start using it. And I don't want to use like 10 different shades where you will feel like you will not be able to do it. Instead, I want you to give it a try, and at some point once you start using it, you will get accustomed to the use of this, because I know most of you might have used powder shadows. This is cream to powder. That means when it applies as a cream, but once it sets into a powder, and then it will not what is it, like it will not smudge at all. But you have like 1 to 2 minutes of blending time where you can work on the color. So it's once you learn the process, it makes it really easy. So it's not very hard to work with. And whoever have seen me, I have never used eyeshadows. So with Shadow Suns only I started using, and the more you practice, the more you will get a hang of it. And as I say, this brush is not for applying. This is just to take the color out from the bottle. And also if you want to apply like more to the lid, then you can use it. But other than, you will directly use the brush and use only the colors that is available. That is how much you will need for when it comes to Shadow Suns. You won't use a lot, and when you build, you will start with slowly, and then you build the color if you want the pigment to be more. But don't go all at once. So I'm going to just take the brush that I have used garnet with, and I just blend the corners. When you do this, both colors will look really nicely well put together. So I'm going to go ahead with the next shade, which is French Roast. I think if you search the group, Cafe Collection will be the one collection I have used pretty much most of the eye looks, because that is how much I like this collection. And it goes very smooth, and it's just 3 colors, like Americano, which is I guess I have it here. Where is Americano? Yeah, Americano is one of my favorite shade for everyday look. Even this one is the lid color I have used when I used all Shadow Suns for my face. It came with Americano, which is a matte color. Then again French Roast, which is again another matte color, which is like a dark coffee brown. And it had only one shimmer shade, which is Cinnamon Shimmer. It's like a beautiful dark coppery pink. We do have Copper Rose Shimmer too. I have all kind of shades. Like this is Copper Rose Shimmer. If you are like a bronze lover, then this will be a perfect shade for you. And we do had the Rose Gold. So Rose Gold is my favorite. Even on top of this, if you want more glitter, you can do Rose Gold. So let's go ahead. What I did is I just darkened the outer corner using French Roast. So that's what I'm going to use. I'm going to use a flat brush so that I can have the pigment. Then I can blend it. So I'm going to take just a bit of French Roast, and I'm going to place it in the outer V, because that will give that nice transition to the color. So just place it in the outer corner, and then you can use a blending brush to blend those colors. And I'm going to take the same French roast, and I'm going to run it a little bit under the lower lid. I have used French roast, which is a matte shade. Ashley even did one with Candid Cocoa Shimmer. If you see, if you want to stay in all shimmery group, you can do these two, because Mauve Shimmer and obviously Candid Cocoa Shimmer will go together. And I have used one matte and one shimmery shade. So it's always up to you what is your imagination and how to play with it. So that's all with the Shadow Sense colors look, and I am going to go with the Starry Sky, which is like a black glittery eyeliner. So that is the one I have done it on my upper lid, and for lower lid I am going to use the pencils. So let me go ahead and do the Starry Sky eyeliner first. So I have finished the top. For the bottom, I am going to use two pencils. I am going to use the black in my waterline, and I am going to use just use purple after that on the lower lid. So it's like they say, like if you don't do eyeliner, it is like doing your paintings without doing the outline. So that's what ties up all the look, like your eyeliners and mascaras. So now I'm going to take our purple liner. All our liners are retractable, so it's really easy to use and have control over it. Using it in my waterline, and you can use them as shadows too. You can use all over lid and then use a brush to just smudge it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it under the black. So I'm going to just do it closer to my line, but I'm just going to do it like a to tie the look together with the pink. I'm going to use the purple liner at the lower lid. If you're always used black or brown, give these colors a try. The purple, green is always my favorite. Green and navy, I think, I don't know how many times I have wore. Those two will look really nice when you do with the contrast brown. Like French roast with green liner is my favorite eye look, always I do. So these eyeliner pencils will give you like a fun twist to your eye looks, and also they make it like a look little different than usual. So if you are always used to wearing black, then using a black brown or navy, anything will make your look a little different and fun. So I'm going to first start with the 3-in-1 lash primer. Like how our hair serum has the capixel, the same one we have this in our mascara too. So it's going to help your lashes grow and while wearing them, and also it not going to be stiff at all. So using a primer helps your lashes to be lengthening, and also it is like a conditioner. You use it for your eyelashes, so it's going to help the lashes stay soft, and at the same time it's going to help it to grow. I always use it on my uh, top lashes, and you can see the volume it gives with just a one coat of the lash primer. Do you see my lashes, how lengthened it has become with just one coat? So once you start using these 3-in-1 primers and volume intense mascaras, you will not go back because they are not going to smudge, and at the same time they are not going to bleed at all the whole day. So it is like so easy to put together. And also we have both this is the this one is non-waterproof, the blue one is waterproof, and I use both of them. Sometimes I layer them. Let me do the non-waterproof mascara. And while doing the mascara, this is another trick I learned from Ashley. Do it on your top and bottom lashes. So that again gives you enough volume. So doing it like this will make your lashes look even bigger. And with our lash sense you can go up to 3 coats. So you can do 1 coat and wait for like 1 or 2 seconds and then go back and do the layers. That way your lashes will look really long and volume. And as I said, they are not going to be like stiff like a plastic one. Like, so I really like wearing the non-waterproof for most of the days. So that's all for the eye look. And for my lips I have used the new Kiss My Sass with the glossy gloss. So let me show you what and all I have used for this eye look. I feel this is like such a easy eye look you can put together. So I have used natural tan to color correct. Then I have used garnet on my crease. I have used a mauve shimmer all over my lid, and then I have went with French roast just to deepen the corners. And I have used Starry Sky as my upper liner, and I have used black pencil and purple pencil for the lower lids. And I have used 3-in-1 lash primer and also with our volume intense non-waterproof mascara. So that's the look for today. And as I said, the sale is going to be ending today, so please make sure to ping me. And I had posted already my stock. I have to post some updated pictures, but you can pretty much order most of the colors because they are in stock with the website. So I can place along with my next order. And these Shadow Sense colors will what is it, like, work really well. And it makes the look complete. Because I think for the past 1 year, I would say, no, less than a year only, I started making these Shadow Sense looks. But I feel like the more I practiced, the more I got comfortable with and using different shades. So I'm always here to help you to start with your first color and then move on. So please feel free to ping me on that. And for us, Mecklenburg County is slowly opening, which is really nice thing. So we are looking forward for slowly getting back to normal, which is going to be a new thing now. So let's hope everyone stays safe and come back to normal soon. Have a wonderful day.